In this film, we'll introduce the main components of the appliance and give a few helpful tips to get you started. Let's start with the water tank. You can fill the tank with water while it is attached to the appliance, or remove it and hold it under the tap. It is important to only use drinking water. Even combi steamers with a mains water connection have a water tank. However, this is only required for descaling. A full tank is more than sufficient for steaming a meal for the whole household. With the V-ZUG Cuisine cooking method, you can even steam for up to 48 hours without having to refill the water tank. If you add ingredients during steaming or want to check the progress, you can easily open the door at any time. The steam supply stops automatically. After steaming, the appliance pumps the water from the boiler back into the tank. This means you can use fresh water for the next steaming program, which reduces limescale deposits. You may then rinse the tank with water and pat dry with a towel should you want to leave it nice and clean. Once the boiler has been emptied, the message disappears. Now let's look at the level indications when using hot air. To ensure optimum air circulation, you should refer to the advice about the levels when baking using the hot air application. The appliance recommends using level 2 if you have just one tray in the oven, and levels 1 and 3 if you have 2 trays. Are you wondering which tray to use or when to use the wire shelf? Let's take a quick look. It's best to place pots, casserole dishes and baking dishes or even V-ZUG Cuisine bags on the wire shelf. This is also perfect for roasting meat. However, we recommend sliding a tray underneath the wire shelf to prevent the meat juices from dripping onto the oven floor. You can also leave bread or baked goods to cool on the wire shelf. We have developed this perforated cooking tray especially for steam applications. Here too, we recommend sliding a stainless steel tray underneath to catch any liquid. This tray is also suitable for steaming, for example, salmon fillet. The typical baking tray is intended for baking or roasting at high temperatures. It transfers heat perfectly, ensuring a crispy and nicely colored base. The sloped tray edge should be against the rear wall of the appliance. It helps you to slide baked goods off the tray easily. Thanks to their non-stick properties, trays with a top clean coating are easier to clean. Thanks to the food probe, the core temperature is measured precisely and monitored electronically. Here's how to connect the probe to your appliance. The reading is then shown directly on the display. In another how-to film, we will explain exactly how the food probe is used and show you which operating modes it's best suited for. And we can assure you, once you've tried it, you won't want to cook without it again.